What is going on, guys? It is your boy Isaiah and Lewis from TTA Videos coming at you guys with a brand new vlog. Right now we're at the Grand River and we just came to this awesome new spot that we never really knew about, but we're trying to catch the sunset, so we're going to take the drone up in the air, the Osmo out with Lewis. We're going to get some awesome shots, so let's get right into this vlog. Hope you guys do enjoy. Any words, Lewis? Thank you guys for all the support because it's been amazing. I think we have 906 subscribers and it's consistent now.
Yeah.
We have like a consistent amount of views of like 30 or 40 views, which we're very happy with. So
hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as we do, and yeah, let's get right into it.
See you as you are, villain in your veins. Why you gotta show disdain? Gang of 100 useless pawns. I'm alright. Flyers, paper planes. We will never let you reign. Bang out my drum line till the dawn. I see you standing still out in the open. I know my opponents know the deal. Lined up for miles, we'll take you on. Don't give a damn how you feel. We're ready, been running all day. Said there's no need to delay. Lower your guns, move out the way. I say, yeah. Why don't we fight them all? Why don't we stand tall? Cause I can take them one by two. You got me, I got you. Let's fight them all. Yeah. This is a fight song, fight song. This is a fight song, fight song. Cause I can take them one by two. You got me, I got you. Let's fight them all. Cock out my gun, let it start blazing, yeah. Turn my head left to right, they run like hell is raising, yeah. Locate these bandits on the run, they try to steal my style. They got no taste for us, we lean back smooth and deal a smile. Bang out my drum line till the dawn. These thieves surround, they pulling us down. Weapons firing off, but they never heard my sound, eh? Why you up in arms? Tell me who's to blame. If we can't compromise, load your guns, don't walk away. Yeah, why don't we fight them all? Why don't we stand tall? Cause I can take them one by two. You got me, I got you. Let's fight them all. Yeah, this is a fight song, fight song. This is a fight song, fight song. Cause I can take them one by two. You got me, I got you. Let's fight them all. Said don't bite your tongue, open from the start. I said no, 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 no. Leave you as you are. You got my heart. I said no, 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 no. Said don't bite your tongue, open from the start. I said no, 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 no. Leave you.
okay, guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It was really fun to make. Lewis and I did that yesterday, and now we're editing it today, and we're gonna go downtown and make another great video. Hopefully everything turns out. But yeah, anything you guys say?
I know, I don't know what to say because
okay. But thank you guys again for all the recent support. I know we keep saying that, but just thank you guys. But just expect a lot more videos because there's only like a month and a half left of summer, and we really, to us, we haven't done anything, but we kind of have. But yeah, thank you guys for all the support. See you in the next one.
See you guys.
Peace.